Hey class, this is lesson 1.6 of GoMath. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to estimate, then find the sum. If you have not watched lesson 1.4 yet, go ahead and go into Flipgrid and watch that video first because it's going to help you a ton with rounding digits. Okay, let's hop into the lesson. Step number 1 is to estimate. What you're going to do is you're going to estimate both these numbers, and to do that you want to look at the digit all the way to the left. So in this case, my underlined digit is 7. The number 7 is going to take a look at the number 2 and say, number 2, should I round up or should I stay? Well, if you watched lesson 1.4, you would know that if the neighboring digit is a 1, 2, 3, or 4, you would stay. If this number were a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you would go up. So in this case, it's a 2. So my 7 is going to stay, meaning my estimated number is 70,000. Alrighty, now we can do the same thing to this digit. Once again, looking at our digit all the way to the left because we're estimating. It's number 1. And number 1, I'm going to draw an arrow to number 8. Uh-oh. Our 8 falls under that category of 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, which means number 1 is going to go up 1. So my new digit, or my new value on this side, is 20,000. Now I can find my estimate, which is, let's add all these zeros up. 7 plus 2 is 9. Looks like my estimated number is 90,000. Okay, time to find the sum of the original number. To do that, I'm just going to add these numbers up. Here we go. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 9, so we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that means 4 can go in here, but I'm going to grab that bundle of 10 and put it up here. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 can fit right here, but a group of 10, I have to regroup up over here. 7, 8, 9. So here are my two answers. 90,000 is my rough estimate, and 91,494 is my exact sum. Here is another example of estimating and then finding the sum, this time using numbers that are in the hundred thousands. Step number 1, we have to underline the digit that we are going to be rounding up or staying the same. So take your marker, bring it all the way to the left, and underline that first digit. Now we can draw our arrows to our neighboring digits. Remember that this neighboring digit is going to tell the underlined digit whether to stay or go up. Okay, in this case we have a 3 as our neighboring digit, so the 4 is going to stay. So this number rounded is 400,000. Over here on this side, we also have a 3, which means our 2 is going to stay. Therefore, this number is 200,000. Awesome. Now, we can add our estimated numbers. 4 plus 2 is 6. Our estimated number is 600,000. Now we can find the sum. 6 plus 8 is 14. So I can keep 4 ones right here, but I have to bundle that group of 10 and put them on top right over here. This is 13 plus 1 is 14. So once again, I can keep my 4 10s right here, but then I would have to group a bundle and regroup it up here. 5 plus 1 is 6. We're good there. 9 plus 2 is 11, so put 1 here and then regroup a group of 10 up there. 6 plus 1 is 7. And then last but not least, 4 plus 2 is 6. Here is my total exact sum. Here is your video response question. Estimate, then find the sum.